Did you know that some snakes can literally see their prey through their skin? Yep, you heard that right. Certain species have heat-sensing pits that let them detect the body heat of their targets. How cool is that? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of snakes, those long, slithery creatures that often get a bad rap. From the vibrant colors of the coral snake to the mesmerizing patterns of the king snake, there's a lot more to these reptiles than meets the eye. Unfortunately, many people have misconceptions about snakes, viewing them as dangerous or slimy. But the truth is, snakes play crucial roles in their ecosystems and can be incredibly interesting to learn about. Stick around because we're going to uncover some surprising secrets that will change the way you see these creatures forever. Now, let's talk about some of the fears and misunderstandings surrounding snakes. For many, the mere mention of a snake can send chills down their spine. It's not uncommon to hear people say things like, "They're all venomous," or "They'll chase you down." But the reality is, most snake species are harmless and would rather avoid humans altogether. In fact, out of the nearly 3,000 snake species worldwide, only about 600 are venomous, and even fewer pose a significant threat to humans. This fear often stems from lack of knowledge, leading to a misunderstanding of their behavior and ecological importance. So, why do we fear these fascinating reptiles? Well, it's time to shed some light on their true nature. Let's explore some incredible snake species and their unique characteristics that might just challenge your perception. First up, we have the eastern diamondback rattlesnake, the largest rattlesnake in North America. It's famous for its distinctive diamond patterns and impressive size, but did you know it uses its rattle as a warning? This snake would much rather rattle than bite, showing us that they're not the villains we often think they are. Next, let's meet the green tree python, which is just as stunning as it sounds. This vibrant green snake spends most of its life in trees and has a unique way of hunting, by wrapping itself around branches and waiting patiently for birds or small mammals to come by. And get this, they can change color based on their environment. Then there's the gopher snake, often mistaken for a rattlesnake. When threatened, it can mimic the rattle by shaking its tail against dry leaves or dirt, creating a sound that can scare off potential predators. Talk about clever survival tactics. And let's not forget about the remarkable abilities of the blind snake. With its tiny eyes covered by scales, it spends its life underground eating ants and termites. This snake doesn't even need to see to thrive. Each of these species shows us how diverse and fascinating snakes can be, challenging the old stereotypes we've built around them. Now for an astonishing revelation. Have you ever heard of the titanoboa? This giant snake lived around 60 million years ago and was a whopping 42 feet long. Imagine a snake so large that it could swallow a crocodile whole. Fossils suggest that it thrived in a warm environment, and its size helped it dominate the food chain. Learning about titanoboa not only gives us insight into the past but also shows just how varied snake species can be throughout history. While we may not have giants like titanoboa roaming today, it puts into perspective just how fascinating and diverse snakes truly are. So, to wrap things up, we've explored some jaw-dropping facts about snakes, challenged common misconceptions, and discovered just how important these creatures are in our ecosystems. Whether it's their unique hunting techniques, their incredible adaptability, or the surprising traits that help them survive, snakes are a lot more than just scary beings. They're an integral part of our wildlife, and understanding them can help us appreciate the beauty of nature a whole lot more. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite snake fact? Drop it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. And don't forget to check out our other videos where we explore the wonders of the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching and see you next time.